It begins with a question. How far can it go? From the surface of our pale blue dot, we send an object into the unknown. Not to conquer space, but to touch its edges. First, it must escape the pull of home. 11.2 kilometers per second, Earth's escape velocity. It breaks free from gravity's embrace and enters the great silence. 3 days later, it passes the moon. A place humans once touched. Beyond here, it becomes a pioneer. One by one, it drifts past our planetary neighbors. Mars, dry and rusted. Jupiter, swirling with storms larger than Earth. Saturn, circled by icy rings. Uranus. Neptune. The frozen giants of the outer solar system. At the center of it all, our Sun. A nuclear furnace a million Earths wide. Its light reaches us in minutes, but it took billions of years to be born. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt. And then, the Oort cloud, where comets sleep. Here, the sun's voice fades to a whisper. Beyond this veil, interstellar space. Now it floats through the Milky Way. A spiral of stars 200,000 light-years across. It will take millions of years just to complete a single orbit around the galactic center. And still, it's only a tiny step. In its path, it may pass Stephenson 218. A star so vast, our Sun is barely a speck beside it. If it sat where our Sun is, it would swallow Saturn whole. It is a reminder, size is relative, and we are very small. But the Milky Way is just one of trillions. Each galaxy holds countless stars, planets, stories. The universe stretches endlessly. And it is still growing, faster and farther than we can chase. And beyond even that, is an idea. A space not of stars and matter, but of data, code, and consciousness. The metaverse, where distance is imagination. Where time bends. Where even the laws of physics may be rewritten. Our object is now a dot in the dark. Unreachable. Undisturbed. It carries no passengers, only a question. No destination, only direction. It keeps going, because we dared to launch it. How far can it go? As far as curiosity reaches. As far as we can dream.